This is a series of videos on fractions, and this is the first video of 5. First, we're going to start on base fractions. So base fractions are with a 1 in the numerator and then our core fractions as the denominator. So an example would be 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, 1/6, 1/8, 1/10, and 1/12. With these fractions, we can build on top of them. So let's go ahead and talk about fractions on a number line. When we think of fractions, we think about if they are less than or greater than 1. So if they are less than 1, we know that our number line will start at 0 and end at 1 whole. So if our fraction that we're trying to find is 3/4, then we know we have to divide our number line into 4 equal parts. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So our whole is going to be 4/4 because 4/4 equals 1 whole. Now when we start with 0, it's always 0 and the denominator because we don't have any parts that are shaded. We can also represent this in a picture. And in the picture, 0/4 has 0 out of 4 shaded or colored in. So we know next would come 1/4, and that would be 1 out of 4 parts shaded in. Then we have 2/4, 2 out of 4 parts shaded in. Then 3/4, 3 out of 4 parts shaded in, and 4/4 would be all 4 of them shaded in. However, the fraction that we want to look at is 3/4. So here on the number line, we know that 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. Well, here we go. There's our fraction. Also, I want to remind us that fractions always have a numerator and a denominator. Now, this is very important when we begin to talk about mixed numbers and improper fractions. But right now, let's talk about color draw and let's talk about finding a fraction within a picture and a number line. So I'll give you another example, and I'd like for you to solve this on your paper. So you'll pause the video, and then you will begin again once you've solved the answer. So here's our picture. And out of this, we have these pieces colored. Please tell me what the fraction is. When you've solved it, come back to it. Welcome back. So I hope you got there are 2 shaded pieces, 1, 2, out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we should have 2/6 as our fraction. Now let's draw it on the number line. So again, when you have your number line drawn, I want you to pause the video and I want you to solve and find 2/6. Great, welcome back. Let's solve on the number line. So we know that 2/6 is less than 1, so our whole number is going to be 1. We know that there are 6 equal parts in our denominator because our denominator is 6, so we need to divide this into 6 parts. 1 whole is also equal to 6/6. Denominator is 6, a whole is 6/6 or 6/6. When we start with 0, we have 0/6. Then we go on to 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6. You'll notice I did not stop when I found my fraction. I continued to write all of the numbers until the whole number. So now we can go into 2/6. So 1, 2. Here is 2/6. Continue watching for more on fractions.